Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2013 Suzuki DR-Z400S Dual Sport. Super cool Yoshimura graphics kit. Brand new tires, only 5,015 miles. It's got the Bark Buster handguards. Come on by and make your dual sport dreams come true with this gorgeous Suzuki. Thing looks fantastic. Price to sell, only $39.99. This bike is not going to be here long. We have finance, we have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, or at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.